Hello everybody, I thought I'd tell you about my positivity oracle deck that I've made. A lot of people have been buying it and then sending me messages saying that they don't know how to use it. So you get them in a box like this, which is really lovely, and it's got a sticker with my artwork on the top. Basically, oracle cards are a bit like, if you've heard of tarot cards, but tarot cards sometimes have bad connotations to them. So oracle cards are just for telling the future, giving you guidance, sharing a message or something like that. My ones are all positivity ones, obviously, with me being the positivity artist girl, and each one represents a meaning. So to use them, what you do is you give them a knock to get the energy out of them from the past day or somebody else is using them, and then you give them a shuffle and then spread them out like this so you can't actually see what card is what, and then breathe a little bit and just tune in to which card that you feel is appropriate for today, or if you want to have a message, or if you have a question that you need answering, so you could ask a question and then you use the cards to answer. So you just go through like this, and then you think, oh right, this is the one that I feel, and feel it in your heart, and then you choose it. So this one is passage, so on here it says passage. So now I'm going to go into my book. Each book is unique, each book is handmade by myself. Every book is different, but they all have the same meanings, and I wrote the meanings myself. I tuned in and I wrote what each one means. So we just go through, and they're in alphabetical order, and we'll just look and we'll find the one for passage. There it is. So then, because I've picked that card, and you find it in your book, and then you read what the card means. So this card shows a time of transition, a passing from one thing to another, a journey in life where you end something and start anew. This is a great card to show you are on the right path. Just keep doing whatever it is you're doing, and all will end how you want it to. This card also represents travel, forests, roots and birth. So you've got the main part of it, and then you've got the little bit at the bottom, and this is how you use them. Now you can sit and you can read the whole book if you wanted, or you can pick one a day. You can look through them. They're your cards, and you can do with them whatever you like. But just mainly, just every time you're going to use them, just knock them, get the energy out from last time, and then give them a shuffle, spread them, choose which one you want, and then find your answer in the book. I hope this has been really helpful. If you have any questions, please pop them below. My positivity oracle deck is available from my website at dottydelightful.com, and of course I'm always sending you love and light.